Alright, so I just pulled out these mushrooms out of the microwave without it spinning or nothing for 35 seconds. I was in there. If you could tell, right there, 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 and a little bit over here, there's sections of only the marshmallow plate where it got burned or cooked. The rest of them appear to be pretty much fine. I mean, you can still move them, pick them up. I've measured the distance between the burn spots or the hot spots, and then multiply that by 2, and then multiply that by the frequency of the microwave, which is 2450 megahertz, I believe. You should get the speed of it, or the wave speed, which is the speed of light. Now, what the microwave does, it uses electromagnetic waves to cook the food, and it does that by having the electric field and the electric flow and the current flow move simultaneously together.